Gonna do an unboxing video here. What we got is a portable gas fire bowl. The stats on it are 54,000 BTU, black finish, adjustable flame to control heat output. It's just a generic one from Canadian Tire, nothing fancy, but it has a lid, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, let's get into it here. Alright, we have the instructions and what appears to be the handle. The lid, possibly. Alright, I'm going to get all the bubble wrap off this and take a look at the instructions here. I'm going to put the handle on the lid first. Alright, step number 2. Gonna open these and just dump them in. So they give you this little base here. Screw goes through the base just to help stabilize the tank. It's kind of nice. Then it's gonna tighten up the screw there. Perfect. Alright, it's kind of dark now, but that's what we want. Barbecue is just beautiful. Here's the knob, it's just like a barbecue knob. I'm going to use a lighter to light it. Yeah, it looks real nice. Nothing to it. Turn my lantern off. Alright, so that's low. Turn it up. It's huge, it's out of the frame. There we go.
That's super nice.